Joey stars in an infomercial called Amazing Discoveries. The ad promotes a new product that makes opening milk cartons easy.
Folks, this ever happened to you? You go to the refrigerator to get a nice glass of milk, but these darn cartons are so flinging-flanging hard to open.
Flinging-flanging is a minced oath, a silly, made-up, and family-friendly substitute for the strongest swear word.
There's a revolutionary new product that guarantees you'll never have to open up milk cartons again.
The ad is badly written and awkward, and Chandler, the king of sarcasm, seizes on the most ridiculous part of it and uses it himself to give a hilariously over-the-top and insincere response to Ross.
Are you intrigued?
You're flinging right, I am. Folks, this ever happened to you? You go to the refrigerator to get a nice glass of milk, but these darn cartons are so flinging hard to open.
Well, you said it, Mike.
The phrase "you said it" is an enthusiastic and informal way to express a strong agreement. It means, I agree with you completely. You've expressed it perfectly. That's absolutely true, and I don't need to add anything else. It's often used to show that the other person has summarized the situation so well that there is nothing more to say. Joey uses it in the ad to agree enthusiastically with the host's complaint. Here are more examples to show how it's used. That was the best meal I've had in years. You said it. The chef is incredible. That party was really dull. You said it. I was checking my watch the whole time.
Well, you said it, Mike.
There's got to be a better way. And there is, Kevin.
Can you please turn this off?
No way, Kevin.
Can you guess the closest idiom to the phrase "you said it"? I bet you're familiar with it, as it was used several times on Friends.
Oh, we were really drunk. I'm just glad we didn't do anything stupid.
Tell me about it.
The most common and direct synonym is "tell me about it." This means I know exactly what you're talking about, and I strongly agree or relate.
I hope Ross isn't too upset.
I'm sure he's not more bummed out than I am.
Tell me about it.
We hear this expression frequently in TV shows, and it's a very common way for native speakers to express total agreement, especially when they are experiencing the same situation.
I've actually been thinking about quitting lately.
Oh, well, sure. Every Sunday night I tell myself I'm quitting. Every Monday morning it's like, tell me about it. Tell me about it.
Hey, man.
Joey missed his audition because he had no idea it was even happening. Now, listen carefully to what he says.
My agent would like to know why I didn't show up at the audition I didn't know I had today.
So based on this context, what do you think show up means? In short, show up is an essential phrasal verb for talking about being present at a planned event. It's used constantly in everyday English. To show up means to arrive at a place or appear at an event. While it often implies somewhere you're expected, its core meaning is simply to arrive or appear, which can be either expected or unexpected. Let's look at Joey's sentence.
My agent would like to know why I didn't show up at the audition I didn't know I had today.
This means my agent wants to know why I didn't arrive at, go to, or appear for the audition. The key is that his agent expected him to be there, and his absence was noted.
Hey, Dad, your cake fell off the counter, but Uncle Cam's trying to fix it.
He won't.
And the pizzas never showed up. And the pizzas never showed up.
Javier, Manny's real father, shows up unannounced, which is a perfect example of the word meaning to arrive unexpectedly.
Wow, Jay, such a beautiful house, huh?
So we were just headed out to dinner.
What, you think I show up empty-handed? I brought dinner. Lobsters. What, you think I show up empty-handed? I brought dinner. Lobsters.
Examples. You have a job interview at 3 p.m. It's very important that you show up on time. You have a job interview at 3 p.m. It's very important that you show up on time.
First good thing she gets me in weeks. How could you not give me the message?
I'll tell you, I do enjoy guilt. But, it wasn't me.
Yes, it was. It was him.
I waited for an hour, but my date never showed up. I waited for an hour, but my date never showed up. Half the people we invited didn't show up to the party. Half the people we invited didn't show up to the party.
Well, I know it's been 3 years, but I was kind of hoping we could hook up again. You know, I barely had the nerve to make this call, so you know what I did?
What?
I got a little drunk and naked.
Bob here.
Chandler took advantage of a wrong number and set up a date while pretending to be Bob.
Whoever stood you up is a jerk.
How did you...
I don't know. Tissue?
He knew the real Bob wouldn't show up, so he went to the date himself and comforted the woman when, as planned, Bob stood her up.
Hey, Bob, it's Jade. Listen, I just wanted to tell you that I was really hurt when you didn't show up the other day.
Okay, it was me.
How is it you?
Well, it was all so crazy, you know? I mean, Chandler was in the closet counting to 10, and he was up to 7, and I hadn't found a place to hide yet.
Phoebe knew about Joey's addition but didn't tell him. Did she mean to keep it a secret and hurt his feelings? A. Yes, she intended to forget. B. No, she just forgot.
I meant to tell you, and I wrote it all down on my hand.
And there it is, the golden phrase I meant to tell you. You know, one of the most common ways we use the verb mean in everyday English is to talk about our intentions. Like when we intend to do something or when we intend for someone else to do something. While it has other definitions, this one comes up all the time in conversation.
There's something that I've been meaning to tell you.
All right, you know what? Never mind. Everybody wants to have a green one. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get so emotional. I meant to tell you, and I wrote it all down on my hand. See, all of it.
Yep, that's my audition.
We'll break this down by looking at examples from Friends and Modern Family. 1. Talking about your own intention. This is the most common structure. We use subject plus mean plus to plus verb. It's perfect for those moments when you need to explain yourself or apologize for an accident.
I'm so sorry, you guys. I didn't mean to bring you down.
I didn't intend to make you sad. It was an accident.
Here comes your 3 o'clock. I don't mean to sound unprofessional, but
My intention is not to sound unprofessional, even if I might be. 2. Talking about your intention for someone else. Now this is for when your intention involves another person. The structure is subject plus mean plus for plus person plus to plus verb. You use this when you had a plan or a desire for a specific outcome in someone else's life.
Rachel, I was thinking of you the whole time. Look, I'm sorry, all right? I never meant for you to find out.
This means Monica never planned for Rachel to discover the secret. Her intention was for her not to find out.
I was the one who read Haley's diary. I was playing on a computer and it just opened. Okay, I opened it. But it didn't mean for anyone to fight.
Luke is saying that causing a fight was never his goal or intention for his sisters. 3. The quick apology. I didn't mean it. And finally, we have the simplest and most common way to apologize for a mistake. Just say, I didn't mean it. A perfect example is from Modern Family when Luke scratches his bike. He apologizes by saying,
If I went out to the garage to take a picture for a scrapbook, there'd be no surprises?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. I just made a mistake.
This phrase is a short, powerful way to say that the action or its hurtful consequence was completely unintentional. Whether you bump into someone, say something that hurts a friend's feelings, or break something by accident, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean it" covers it all.
Jay, I'm sorry about your wall.
Wasn't your fault, it was Jack's. And I've already taken care of him.
You kill him?
Can't kill people here. I fired him.
But it was just an accident. He didn't mean it.
And say we weren't friends. Say it's a blind date. I show up at your door and I'm like, hey, nice to meet you. Hey.